Once upon a time, there was a dark place known as the reed valves. Yes. Got a finger. Got a finger on, right? Gotta stick your finger in there. Let's see. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Good. 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 Everybody else is having fun flying. It's time for me to do the maintenance. So, just a little heads up. I've been using sea foam. And then I add a little Lucas in there. And I use avgas, which builds up more carbon. So, I'm doing my annual overhaul that we do every year, even though we only had 14 miles on there. And I cleaned off the piston. No, it did not look like that after 14 hours. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing while everybody else is flying. We're going to clean off all the nastiness. That's what it looks like when you use it. We're going to clean off the old deep down in the nailer. The piston lived a little place called, come on, you know what that's called, right? The port. Right there. If you don't drill that out every year, you'll have shitty starts, that's for sure. So I think my fucking port's kind of clear. But anyway, we're doing an overhaul of the Simonini. Simonini. Really no videos on there, but I think I figured out that since I keep getting oil on the exhaust here, and right above there is here, I usually get it here, and I thought I had a crankcase break. See that? But luckily, I don't think I have a crankcase leak, but I do think I'm leaking out of the front seal. So I have to decide if I want to rip this all off and change the front seal. It's not that hideously bad. And obviously as the engine's running, it's getting oil. But it's also going to be leaking oil out of there. So, decisions. So, while everybody's out flying, I'm going to figure out what I'll be doing with my life. Peace out.